Hey there, grill enthusiasts. Are you tired of firing up the outdoor grill only to have your plans ruined by bad weather? Do you live in an apartment where outdoor grilling isn't an option? Or maybe you're just looking for a healthier way to cook your favorite foods without sacrificing that delicious grilled flavor. If you answered yes to any of these questions, then a George Foreman Grill might be exactly what you need in your kitchen arsenal. Today, I'm going to take you through the top 5 George Foreman grills on the market. Let's dive in. Number 5. George Foreman GR10B 2-Serving Classic Plate Grill. The George Foreman GR10B is the most basic model in the lineup, designed for individuals or couples with limited kitchen space. With its compact 7.36 by 5.67-inch cooking surface, this grill is perfect for small apartments or dorm rooms where counter space is at a premium. During my testing, I found that it heats up surprisingly quickly. You'll be ready to cook in just a few minutes after plugging it in. The signature slope design does help channel away excess fat, which is great if you're health conscious. I cooked a couple of burger patties on it, and the fat drained nicely into the included drip tray. The non-stick coating worked reasonably well, though I noticed some sticking with more delicate foods like fish. Cleanup wasn't too difficult, but since the plates aren't removable, you'll need to wait for the grill to cool down before wiping it clean, which can be a bit of a hassle. One thing that became apparent during my testing is the size limitation. While it's advertised as a 2-serving grill, that's really only true for smaller items like thin burger patties or sandwiches. When I tried to cook 2 chicken breasts, they barely fit and ended up cooking unevenly because they were crammed together. The lack of temperature control is also a significant drawback. You're stuck with whatever heat the grill provides, which isn't ideal for foods that require more precise cooking temperatures. Number 4. George Foreman GRS 040B 2-Serving Classic Plate Electric Indoor Grill and Panini Press. Moving up slightly in the George Foreman lineup, we have the GRS 040B 2-Serving Classic Plate Electric Indoor Grill and Panini Press. This model takes up 34% less space than the GR10B, making it even more suitable for tight kitchen spaces. The compact design allows it to be stored vertically, which I found extremely convenient for my small kitchen cabinet. The GRS 40B features the advanced George Tough non-stick coating, which is advertised as being 3 times more durable than the standard coating. In my testing, it did perform better than the GR10B in terms of food release. Even sticky marinades didn't cause much of an issue. I particularly enjoyed using it as a panini press, as the adjustable cooking angle allows you to set it flat for perfect sandwich pressing or angled for fat removal when grilling meats. While the improved non-stick coating is a definite upgrade, this model still suffers from some of the same limitations as its cheaper counterpart. The cooking surface remains quite small, which restricts you to cooking for 1 or 2 people at most. I attempted to grill vegetables alongside a piece of chicken, but the limited space meant I had to cook in batches, which was time-consuming and less convenient than I'd hoped. The lack of removable plates also makes cleaning more challenging than it needs to be, especially when dealing with cheese that melted over the sides of a panini. Temperature control continues to be absent on this model, which I found frustrating when trying to cook different types of food. Number 3. George Foreman GRP 1060B 4-Serving Removable Plate Grill. Now we're getting into the more serious George Foreman territory with the GRP 1060B 4-Serving Removable Plate Grill. This model represents a significant step up from the previous 2 options, most notably with its removable plates that make cleanup infinitely easier. After cooking a particularly messy marinated chicken, I simply pop the plates off and put them in the dishwasher, a game changer compared to the wipe-down cleaning required by the lower-end models. With 60 square inches of cooking surface, the GRP 1060B comfortably accommodates 4 servings, making it suitable for small families. During my testing, I was able to cook 4 burger patties simultaneously with room to spare, and they all cooked evenly thanks to the improved heating elements. The grill heats up 35% faster than previous removable plate models, which meant less waiting and more eating. I was ready to cook in about 90 seconds after plugging it in. The advanced George Tough non-stick coating on this model is noticeably superior, with food releasing effortlessly even when I didn't use any oil. I put it through its paces with sticky glazed salmon, and not a single piece stuck to the grill plates. The adjustable hinge is another thoughtful feature that allows the grill to accommodate foods of various thicknesses, from thin sliced vegetables to thick-cut steaks, ensuring even cooking throughout. The drip tray design has also been improved on this model, with a larger capacity that easily handled the runoff from 4 fatty burger patties without overflowing. 2. George Foreman Fully Submersible Grill. The George Foreman Fully Submersible Grill takes convenience to a whole new level. As the name suggests, this grill can be fully submerged in water for cleaning after removing the temperature control unit, which addresses one of the biggest pain points of electric grills. After cooking a particularly messy batch of barbecue chicken, I simply detached the temperature control, took the grill to my sink, and gave it a thorough washing. No more awkward wiping or waiting for plates to cool down. This model features a larger cooking surface that can accommodate up to 5 servings, making it perfect for families or entertaining guests. During my testing, I comfortably fit 5 chicken breasts on the grill at once, and they all cooked evenly thanks to the excellent heat distribution. The adjustable temperature control is a significant upgrade from the lower-tier models, allowing precise cooking for different types of food, from low heat for delicate fish to high heat for searing steaks. The advanced non-stick coating on this model is truly impressive. Even after weeks of testing with various sticky marinades and sauces, food continued to release effortlessly, and the surface showed no signs of wear. The sloped design efficiently channels away excess fat, and the large capacity drip tray easily handled the runoff from even the fattiest foods without needing to be emptied mid-cook. Number 1. George Foreman Indoor-Outdoor Electric Patio Grill. Taking the top spot in our countdown is the George Foreman Indoor-Outdoor Electric Patio Grill, a versatile powerhouse that truly offers the best of both worlds. As the name suggests, this model can be used both indoors on your countertop and outdoors on your patio or balcony, thanks to its removable stand. During my testing, I used it for a small backyard gathering and then easily transitioned it to my kitchen counter when unexpected rain arrived, a flexibility that no other model in the lineup can match. With a massive cooking surface that accommodates over 15 servings, this grill is perfect for entertaining or large family meals. I managed to cook burgers, hot dogs, and vegetable skewers for a party of 12 all at once, with everything finishing at the same time thanks to the excellent heat distribution. The adjustable temperature control provides precise cooking for various foods, from low heat for delicate items to high heat for perfect searing and grill marks. The non-stick coating on this model is exceptional, easily releasing even the stickiest glazed chicken wings without leaving residue behind. Cleanup is surprisingly simple, despite the large size. The removable grill plate pops off easily and can be washed in the sink or dishwasher. The domed lid is a feature unique to this model in the lineup, helping to create convection heat for more even cooking and allowing you to prepare thicker cuts of meat with perfect results. Final thought. So there you have it, my comprehensive countdown of the top 5 George Foreman grills on the market today. Whether you're cooking for one in a tiny apartment or hosting backyard barbecues for the whole neighborhood, there's a George Foreman grill that's perfect for your needs. Happy grilling!